Hi guys. So today I'll be talking and teaching you guys how to set up data validation rules for your set of data. So now this data set is for a logistics company. They are into delivery of goods. They have truck in which they use in delivering goods from their warehouses to their different clients. Now the issue the manager has been having here is that for every trip their drivers make, they have an Excel where they input their name, their salary, the date of which they made the delivery, and then the routes. Now, this company has just 3 routes which they want to narrow it down to that they apply every day: Ikeja, Ikotun, Ibejuleki. But in their former file, they've come to realize that most of the drivers don't know how to spell. So most of them come to the route and sometimes they just put Ibeju without putting the Lekki. Some of them don't know how to spell Ikeja. Some of them don't know how to spell Ikotun. So different spellings, and this has made you all know that if you have a messy data set, it has as your foundation, data analysis is going to be messy. You're going to have a lot of issues. So for us to avoid that, we are going to set up a data validation rule, meaning if you don't type any of these words as the route, your input is not going to be accepted. So this is how we are going to do it, guys. So we are going to click on the route column or whatever column you want to use to set up your data validation. I'm going to hold the control button and click on route to deselect it. Since we have the column we want to use, we are going to go to our data tab. Most of you might start from the home tab, but this is the data tab. Go to the data tab. You go to the data validation button. It has a green tick and a red warning sign. Click on the arrow facing down, click on data validation. Go to settings here, validation criteria. What are we allowing? We are going to allow a list. And then our source, we are going to type the different routes we have. So I have Ikeja, you put comma, space, Ikotun, comma, space, and then we have Ibeju, Lekki, right? These are the 3 routes. And then I'm going to go to the error alert. I want an error alert to always come up whenever somebody maybe types a route that is not part of our route we take. So I'm going to put something, relatable. Oga, wait. For example, I'll say, this is not a route. Please select the correct route. So I can put abeg, right, to make it relatable. So I'm going to click OK. Good. So immediately you see this arrow here, you know that we have our validation set up. So I'm going to come here. So if Lasisi comes today and then he wants to fill up his route he went through today, he's going to click on this arrow and select. If it was equal to, he's going to select. The same thing when this person comes, he's going to select and say, oh, I went through Ibejuleki. If, for instance, Benga comes and he doesn't understand what this means, if he comes and say, oh, I went through Ikeja, but then he doesn't know the exact route to type in here, he might decide, oh, I want to type Ogba, since Ogba is in Ikeja. So he might type Ogba, and the moment he hits enter, he's going to get this error message saying, this is not our route. Please select the correct route. And he's going to keep on retrying. Probably maybe you have to educate them on how to now fit it. Probably he will now have to come back to you, the data analyst or the manager, and say, sir, this is giving me an error message. So in that way, you'll be able to, so this is like a bouncer you have at the gate to bounce any wrong input in your data. This is another way for, having a clean data set. And I hope you all understand. Thank you. We'll share this video for others to learn. Thank you.